If I were to say, okay, Ethan, here's the deal. I have 2 bottles of water here. I got here's a 16-ounce brand A, 16-ounce brand B. And neither of these manufacturers have done anything to differentiate one from the other. I just say, which one do you want? Which one do you want to buy? And you're like, you look at them, you look at the label, you look inside, you're seeing if there's any difference in color or something. You can't tell any difference. The first thing that's going to come out of your mouth is like, well, which one's cheaper? Now, it's not because you're cheap, but it's because you and we demand difference. We demand a point of difference. And if a manufacturer, if a company, whether they're offering a service or a product, fails to deliver differentiation, the consumer will do it on your behalf. That's why you get these races to the bottom of undercutting on price. The reason that can happen is because those categories where that's happening, they have failed to differentiate and add value. Differentiate in this context is synonymous with value, but it is clearly differentiation in your eyes and in my eyes. Like I can see, that's totally not like anything I've seen before. You look at the best product launches, that's not like anything I've seen before. You look at the best, whatever, whether they're anything, sneakers, cars, clothing, building equipment, whatever. It's just, I mean, even with what you've got going on with BombBomb, I ended up, I was talking with somebody and I was like, whoa, I saw this thing. And I was like, and then I clicked on it. And I'm like, I want to track down who was this person that had this little animated GIF in my thing, because I noticed what I did. I see this person on this little loop, and it's whatever it is, the 3-second or a 4-second animated GIF. And I'm going, you know what? What did I do? I clicked play. I needed to hear what they were saying. I was compelled. It didn't fall into, oh, I don't have time to look at that email right now. I was immediately compelled instantaneously. And I'm a consistent observer of what are those things that trigger me into action, rather than, that's just adding to the noise. I'll get to that later. And then I end up with way too many things to get to later.